Hello and welcome to Carysil World of Kitchen Appliances. Today we are going to learn how to install the product and operational demonstration of Carysil built-in combo microwave oven MW01. This will help you to use the product better.
This video will explain the following details. Installation procedure. To install, first measure the exact dimension. Cutout should match this dimension. Be sure that the proper ventilation is there in the back side of the cabinet. Fit the microwave into the cavity and fix the screw on the lower side of the door and check the installation thoroughly. Plug in the power and switch on. Now your built-in microwave is ready to use. Features. This microwave comes up with unique features. Full touch control panel. 10 auto multifunction cooking program. Convection system. SS cavity. Full black outer glass body. 1-year warranty on limited parts. This product is also available in different variant name called MW02. This microwave have the following functions. Operation. To use, press the clock kitchen timer and turn the knob right side. Press timer. Turn the knob and set the clock. To use the microwave, go to the function, press microwave grill combination button once. Select microwave cooking and P100 will display. Press confirm. Turn the knob to adjust the cooking time. Press start. This cooking function is for reheat and microwave cooking. Grill cooking mode. Press grill, turn the knob. To select the grill function, press confirm. When G1 displays, it indicates the grill function is on. Turn the knob, to set the desired time. Press confirm. Above function is for manual grilling paneer, bread, chicken, del body, etc. A combination cooking. Press combination cooking program and P100 will display. Press confirm. Turn the knob to select the combination function and C1, C2, C3, C4 will display. Select C1. Turn the knob. Press confirm. C1 program is for cooking and baking. C2 program is for cooking and roasting. C3 program is for baking and browning. C4 program is for cooking, baking and browning. Press convection cooking with preheating function. Turn the knob to select the convection temperature displays. It indicates convection function. The temperature can be chosen from 130 degree to 180 degree. Press confirm to confirm the temperature. Turn the knob and set the time. And preheat the microwave. When the preheating temperature arrives, buzzer will sound twice to remind you to put the food into the microwave. Turn the knob to adjust the cooking time. Above function is for baking cake, pizza, fish, etc. For instant reheat, press the start and confirm button. 30 seconds reheat function will start directly. You can increase the time by pressing the button multiple times. Press time defrost, turn to choose the weight of menu, for example, 500 grams. The cooking time will display automatically. Press time defrost twice. The display will show defrost to turn the knob to set the desired time. Above function is for defrost frozen peas, fish, meat, etc. For auto menu chart, in waiting state, turn right to choose the function you wanted. From a 1 to a 10 will display, press confirm. The menu you need turn to choose the wait of menu and the G indicator will light. Press to start cooking. A1 is used to reheat the food items. You can use auto functions to cook different foods, such as meat, fish, pasta, soup, etc. Child lock. Press the stop and clear button for 3 seconds to lock the microwave functions. To unlock, repeat the same method. Maintenance of the product. This completes the demonstration of built-in combo microwave oven MW01. Hope you liked the video.